How to watch F1 qualifying. Here's how you can watch F1 qualifying in 2026. The big change this year is that F1 has moved away from ESPN and is now exclusively on Apple TV Plus in the United States. To watch qualifying, you will need an Apple TV Plus subscription, which costs $12.99 per month. Apple TV Plus works on smart TVs, iPhones, iPads, Mac computers, Apple TV devices, and web browsers, so you have plenty of options for where to watch. An Apple TV Plus subscription also supports family sharing, so up to 5 people in your household can use it. There is also a free trial available. New subscribers get 7 days free before being charged. Also, new Apple device owners may qualify for 3 months free, and students can bundle Apple TV Plus with Apple Music starting at $6 per month. If you already use F1 TV, the good news is that Apple TV Plus includes F1 TV Premium at no extra cost. You simply link your accounts and you can continue watching through the F1 TV app just like before. And that's how you watch F1 qualifying. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.